नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. Today we are going to learn the new chapter number 3, SCF and LCM. In 5th standard and 6th standard, you have learned multiples, factors and divisors. या सर्व गोष्टी तुम्ही इयत्ता 5वी आणि 6वी शिकला. आणि SCF कसा SCF आणि LCM also SCF and LCM learn in a 6th standard. Let's recall prime numbers, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers.
Yes.
Because it is necessary to learn the SCF and LCM. SCF आणि LCM आपल्याला काढायचा आहे नंबरचा. त्यासाठी या गोष्टी आपल्याला आवश्यक आहे. फर्स्ट टॉपिक प्राइम नंबर्स. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय प्राइम नंबर्स? अ नंबर which has only two factors. A number which has only two factors, one and a number itself is called as prime numbers. What is meant by prime number? The definition of a prime number: a number which has only two factors, one and a number itself is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, 1 and 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 7, etc. Prime numbers is infinite, innumerables. हे प्राइम नंबर्स आहेत. मग आयडेंटिफाय कसे करायचे प्राइम नंबर्स? त्याचे काय असतात? फक्त ओनली टू फॅक्टर्स. अ नंबर विच हॅज ओनली टू फॅक्टर्स, वन अँड द नंबर इटसेल्फ. म्हणजे आपण इन 5th स्टँडर्डला फॅक्टर्स पाडलेले आहेत नंबरचे, की असे नंबर्स की ज्याचे फक्त किती फॅक्टर्स पडतात? टू फॅक्टर्स. विच ऑफ दिस टू फॅक्टर? वन अँड द गिवन नंबर इटसेल्फ. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, फॅक्टर्स ऑफ 5. आता समजा आपण 5 इज द प्राइम नंबर्स. 5 चे फॅक्टर्स पाडले. 5 कोणाच्या टेबल मध्ये? ओनली 1 and 5. These are the only two factors. One and the number itself is called a prime number. Is called a prime numbers. These are the prime numbers. Prime numbers is innumerable. 2 is the smallest prime number. तुम्हाला विचारलं which is the smallest prime number? 2. 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is the only one even prime number. And 2 is the only one even prime number. How many prime numbers between 1 and 100? 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. How many prime numbers? 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. चला काउंटिंग करो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 and 25. How many prime numbers? 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100 and 2 is the only one even prime numbers. फक्त 2 असा नंबर आहे की तो फक्त काय आहे? ओनली वन इवन प्राइम नंबर आहे. अदर प्राइम, अदरवाइज ऑल प्राइम नंबर्स इज ऑड प्राइम नंबर. ऑड असतात म्हणजे बाकीचे जेवढे प्राइम नंबर असतील ते सगळे ऑड नंबर्स मधूनच येतील. फक्त 2 असा नंबर आहे की तो फक्त काय आहे? ओनली वन इवन प्राइम नंबर्स आहे. आणि स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर कोणता आहे? 2 is the smallest prime numbers. Understand? Okay. Next, co-prime numbers. The pairs of a number which have only one as a common factors. The pairs of a number which have only one as their common factor are called co-prime numbers. असे नंबर्स की ज्याच्यामध्ये काय असतात? Only one as a common factor. Only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. The definition of a co-prime numbers: the pairs of a number which have only one as their common factor are called co-prime number. For example, 4 and 9. Factors of 4 is equal to 1 2 4. The factors of 4 1 2 4 म्हणजे 4 ला कोणत्या नंबरने डिवाइडेशन होतंय? 1 2 4. These are the factors of a 4. Then factors of 9 equal to 1, then 3 and 9. These are the factors of a 9. Definition: the pairs of a numbers which have only one as their common factors. Which of this? Only one. Only one as their common factor. 4 and 9 मध्ये कॉमन फॅक्टर काय येतो? फक्त only one. काय कॉमन फॅक्टर येतोय? Only one. Means 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers. 4 and 9 काय मग? 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers. आलं लक्षात? 4 and 9 काय मग आता? Co-prime numbers. And note that any two consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. Any two consecutive numbers are always co-prime numbers. For example, 24 and 25, 11 and 12, etc. These are the co-prime pairs. Means any two consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. लक्षात definition काय आहे co-prime numbers ची? The pairs of numbers which have only one as their common factor are called co-prime numbers. These parts you have learned in a 5th standard. हा जो पार्ट आहे आपण कोणत्या भागात शिकलो? इयत्ता 5वी ला आपण हा सर्व पूर्ण भाग फक्त आपण काय करतोय याचं रिव्हिजन करतोय. आलं लक्षात? ओके. नाउ सी द ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स. काय बघूया आपण आता? ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स. If the difference between two prime numbers, if the difference between two prime numbers is 2, if the difference between two prime numbers is 2, the numbers are called twin prime numbers. The number are called as two twin prime numbers. There are 8 pairs of a twin prime numbers between 1 and 100. How many twin prime pairs between 1 and 100? Totally 8 pairs. Which of these? 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 73. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 twin prime pairs between 1 and 100. How many? 100. And the definition of a twin prime, if the difference between two prime numbers is 2, कितीचा डिफरन्स पाहिजे त्याच्यामध्ये? ओनली 2 चा डिफरन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 3 and 5. Difference of 3 and 5, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 and 7, 7 minus 5, 2. 11, 13, 13 minus 11, 2. 17 minus 19 minus 17, 2. 31 minus 29, 2. This difference between only 2. If the difference between two prime numbers is a 2, the numbers are called twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. Put it 1 and 1, 1 and 3. These are the twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers कोणाला म्हणायचं? की ज्याच्यात only the difference between two prime numbers is 2. कितीचा डिफरन्स असतो त्याच्यामध्ये? फक्त 2 चा डिफरन्स असतो. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स. आलं लक्षात? If the difference between two prime numbers is 2, the numbers are called twin prime number. It's the simple definition of a twin prime numbers. Understand? Okay. Okay. Now see the practice set 10. In a practice set 10, first question. In a practice set 10, first question. Which number is neither a prime nor a composite? Which number? 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Which number? 1. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Why? The definition of a prime numbers. काय definition of a prime numbers? The number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called a prime numbers. आणि कंपोजिट नंबरची डेफिनेशन आपण पुढे बघणार आहोत. नंबर विच हॅज मोर दॅन 2 फॅक्टर्स, ज्याचे दोनापेक्षा जास्त फॅक्टर असतात त्याला कंपोजिट नंबर म्हणतो. मग 1 कोणता नंबर आला? 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Then second question, which of the following are pairs of co-primes? खाली दिलेल्यापैकी co-prime pairs कोणते आहेत हे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, आयडेंटिफाय करायचं आहे. मग आता फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे 14. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड आहे 8 and 14. फर्स्ट आपण फॅक्टर्स पाहूया. फॅक्टर्स ऑफ 8. आता 8 चे फॅक्टर्स ऑफ 8 स्टार्टिंग 1. देन 8 ला कोणत्या नंबरने डिवायडेशन होतात? 1 2 4 and 8. These are the factors of 8. Then factors of 14. 1 2 7 and 14. These are the factors of 14. Common factors. common factors 1 and 2. This 8 and 14 are co-prime number. The definition of two numbers which has only one as a common factor. Two numbers which has only one as a common factor are called as co-prime numbers. आता याच्यात common factors किती येत आहे 1 आणि 2. Only one common factor आहे का? नाही. Therefore 8 and 14 are not co-prime numbers. हे दोघं काय नाहीत मग co-prime numbers नाहीत. Why? Because the common factor is a 1 and 2. Co-prime numbers कोणाला म्हणायचं? Common factor as a only one as a common factor. त्याच्यात का only one as a common factor are called as co-prime numbers. But here 1 and 2 is a common factors, means two factors, means this 8 and 14 common factor is a 2, means are not co-prime numbers. Now second example. Second example. काय second example? 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Factors of 4. 1, 2, 4. Factors of 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Common factor. Common factors. Only one is a common factor. Means therefore 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. आता 4 and 5 काय आहे? Co-prime numbers. Why co-prime? Because the only one has a common factor. Only one has a common factor between 4 and 5. 4 and 5 मध्ये काय फक्त only one has a common factor. Means 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. आलं लक्षात?